Hello students. There are two more prepositions. They confuse us. They are in as well as into. So I am here to clear that confusion also. In which condition in this preposition has to be used? Very simple. In this particular preposition has to be used whenever both the objects are stationary, not moving. Remember, when both the objects are stationary or not moving, they are silent, there is no movement, in that scenario we are going to use in. For example, the SIM card is in the mobile, the coin is in my pocket. So both the things are stationary and one thing is inside it. In this scenario, in has to be used, whereas into is used with movement from one place to another place. Whenever there is a movement, into. No movement, in. For example, I threw a stone into a well. I threw a stone into a well. There is a movement from one place to another place. Don't keep your books into the bag. Now, there is a movement. There would be a movement. So, in this scenario also, we are going to use into. Besides this, into this preposition is used at different situations, and the situations I will read for you guys. I will also read one example about it, and you would understand by the example that the preposition into has to be used in different conditions. Number one, into sometimes it indicates transformation, complete change. For example, the caterpillar changed into a butterfly. So this is the complete metamorphosis, complete change. So in this case, in this context also, into has to be used, and we tend to use in, which is wrong. So whenever we want to indicate change or transformation, we are supposed to use into. There is another situation wherein into has to be used. For example, there is one more meaning wherein you are going to use into, suggesting occupation or involvement. Now, when we want to indicate or suggest occupation or involvement, we are going to use into. For example, her brother got into drugs. So here again it is a change. It is a change, and the use of into is absolutely correct. Don't use in this scenario. There is one more scenario or one more condition wherein we are going to use into, that is when we want to indicate a point within time or space. When we want to indicate a point within time or space. For example, we are now well into the year 2021. We are now well into the year 2021. Sometimes in mathematics also, this word into has to be used. For example, the number 4 goes into 8 two times. The number 4 goes into 8 two times. So these are few situations wherein into has to be used. The use of in is very easy to understand. Whenever there is no movement of the two objects, use in. Wherever there is a movement, use into, and rest of the conditions that I explained in the video. Thank you.